Hello, my wonderful friends. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Action is finally being taken by our lawmakers in Congress to help the millions of Americans that are facing financial troubles, all caused by this crisis. Relief checks have now been approved, friends. Payments worth up to $1,100 will be deposited automatically for many Americans. So please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you need extra financial assistance from our government. Also, share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. If you're interested in entering my $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, which is scheduled for this coming Friday, please do listen for the keyword from this video.
It's work that requires great sacrifice in terms of the other commitments in your lives. And you do this work on behalf of people sometimes that you meet, on behalf of people that you don't meet. You do this work on behalf of people that may never know your names, may never know my name, but will be forever impacted and to our mission uplifted because of the work of the people in this room. And so when I think about where we are, based on the work that has already happened to get us here, I know it has been hard work and good work. I also want to give a special shout out to the Californians in the room, because how could I not? But to everyone.
While the United States economy has come back fairly strong from the economic crisis of 2020, it is still very hard for the average American to deal with the skyrocketing inflation and even higher cost of everyday necessities like food, housing, fuel, and paying for utility bills. Many lawmakers are starting to take notice and make the call for more financial assistance. The great news is that many Americans will not have to wait too long before they finally receive another federal stimulus check. According to a new report, the latest increase in price that has been felt by Americans has been at the gas pump, which now sits at a nationwide average of $4.50 per gallon. The highest prices in the country are currently being seen in California, where the current average is nearly $6 a gallon, with Hawaii, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Alaska, Arizona, and Illinois all topping an average of over $4.50 per gallon. So as of now, the only states averaging under $4 a gallon are Oklahoma, Arkansas, Colorado, Kansas, Missouri, Nebraska, Iowa, South Dakota, North Dakota, and Minnesota. With prices for everything so high and in a short period of time, new calls are going out for a stimulus check or similar payment from the federal government. During an interview with CNN News, Mark Wolf, the executive director of the National Energy Assistant Directors Association, has urged our government to help low and moderate income families with another stimulus check. This is as it becomes more difficult to continue keeping up with the rising costs for many items, citing a new report that estimated inflation has increased monthly costs by at least $300 and that skyrocketing fuel prices could skyrocket even more. So in his call, Mark Wolf stated that a direct payment through the Internal Revenue Service should be targeted at those earning less than 8% of the national median income, which would help those who need assistance most, while keeping the cost of the program quite low. He also states that Congress should authorize one $1,100 payment per household to pay for 4 months of prices, then provide an option which would allow President Biden to provide other checks at a later date if prices continued to remain high. The somewhat good news is that the Biden administration has indicated that there are always discussions about bringing a new round of aid to Americans. So my friends, what are your thoughts on a $1,100 stimulus check to help with the rising inflation and everyday expenses? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below if you support it. Friends, the keyword for this video is diamond. If you would like to enter this coming Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway. Remember friends, I'm going to be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards. So if you would like to enter the giveaway, enter this keyword diamond in the comment section below. Also click and like my videos. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And any other video of mine that you watch, please do make sure that you comment that word from that video. Thank you so much, friends. Democrat Governor Gavin Newsom made a modest proposal earlier this year, which was to pause the gas tax increase for 1 year. In other words, Governor Newsom urged that he did not want to let the tax go up by 3 cents this year. The Newsom administration described it as an effort to potentially lower the price of gasoline and provide some relief to consumers. However, some leaders of the majority, which is the Democrat legislature, which Newsom would need to get on board with his plan, are not wild about the idea, saying our focus cannot be small cut to the gas tax that might not get passed on to consumers. But Governor Gavin Newsom has already told Californians that he is working on a potential rebate to offset the escalating costs of gas prices that broke historic records across the country. During his State of the State address, Governor Newsom told residents of California, no one's naive about the moment that we're living with high gas prices and the geopolitical uncertainty that's fueling them. I'll be submitting a proposal to put money back in the pockets of Californians to address rising gas prices. California's gas prices, which are among the highest in the country, topped nearly $5.50 per gallon this week, soaring above the national average of $4.17. The state's prices were the highest ever recorded in the country's history. So my friends, do you agree with all states providing their residents with some sort of inflation relief payment? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. Please do me a humongous favor and share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable and accurate stimulus news information. Thank you very much and have a wonderful and blessed Monday.